Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video we have seen about different properties of classes, functions, abstract class, then how to create list of classes and etc. In this video we are going to see about a predefined function or a property called uh, we can say that a predefined function called property. So that we cannot call it as a property because its name also a property. Uh, really bad job. So we are going to see about property. So what actually property do? It makes the life of an object-oriented programmer or a Python programmer very easy as it simplifies our work and makes it reduces our tasks. So how does this function works and we can use it? We are going to see in this video. So let's just without wasting our time, let's just get started. So Rossi, very bad name. I just like okay. I just think I don't think so. This is also. Let's just take a employee. So here it is our class employee, and we have to first we will initialize the def init and self comma last comma post. So self dot post. So here it is. Okay. So now we have initialized this class. Now we are going to create a function called full name. Full name, and we're just going to return dot. Oh, so we have defined this function. We'll just get set underscore full name self comma. So we are going to pass it name. So self dot first comma self dot last. Split. Now we are going to split it with a space. Def get underscore full name. So We're done. The and just print deleted. Okay, so if we have defined the function, so in this video we are going to see the property without using a decorator. So what a decorator is, I have not told you. Yes, soon I am going to make a video on that also. So we have defined this class. So let's just create a instance of this class emp. So employee Andrew, comma Simon, comma manager, and that's it. Full name equals to property.
तू मेरे सारे पेन लेके अपने पास ही रख लेगा, बता मुझे.
Sorry for the disturbance. Just my response. So we are going to write it here. Get underscore full name, comma set underscore full name and date underscore full name. So let's just print emp dot full name and emp dot in desktop. That is as type is not defined. Let me just check. Wait for 1 minute. So sorry for that. It should be written over here. So that's it. So right now just run it. That's not a video for two. Str is not callable. Okay. So
कैसी है? ठीक है. झटका लग गया. अच्छा, ठसका हो गया बस का.
So here it is. You can see this. This how it's executed. So we can see that here it is get name, which will returns the name of a employee, and set name, which will set the name of a employee, and here last is the delete name, which will delete the name of a. So this will work as a set name is work as a setter and delete name as a deleter. So in the next video we are going to see how to do this using a decorator, and that's it. If you like this video, then give it me a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe my channel. I always make videos on Python video. So that's it.